Todo va acá, cortado acá.
Hola.
Hola amigos.
Hi, I'm Kiki. I'm from Venezuela.
Hi, I'm Viktor. I'm from Venezuela.
Okay, and today we will do Viktor knows better.
We're gonna make today chard spring roll, as in chard leaf spring rolls. So no flour, no gluten, all vegan and nice.
We will use this beautiful chard that we find. They bring us full from green heart farms. You can use normally the roots for do some pickle. Yeah.
Yeah, as I treat it the same way of the red radish. I slice it very thin and then we pickle.
So this chard was clean already with Kangen water. My hands also is being clean. And we're just gonna cut it. It's so beautiful and in love. For me, this is like a wish. It's not from this world.
Yeah. It's like come from Mars. Yeah. So you can remove the vein. Yeah. There is 2 ways to do it. We can go. We put it upside down. This one side is another side, and we can just devein it like this. Okay, because this is very hard and bitter. Yeah. Okay, and then we're gonna remove the bitterness from the leaf. There are 2 ways. One, you can massage, or one, you can blanch it in hot water. So we're gonna pour here carefully some hot water. Okay, we're gonna blanch it like 3 seconds. Okay. All right.
Also, when we remove this one, it will be easy to fold because
Yes.
we're gonna fold
Correct. Yeah.
it.
And as any chef, even chef, we flavor even the water where we blanch. So I'm gonna put some salt here, yeah, so the chard will have some flavor. So we blanch it. Be careful, guys. This is a very quickly
Yeah, like
procedure.
you don't want to
Yeah.
cook it because then it's
No,
gonna be
not
late.
at all. Yeah, and if you can put the roots for a little longer, it will be nice. Look at the color. Look how beautiful it becomes.
It's alive.
Yeah, so it's alive. That's what we did. We just brought it alive. Look at the difference. I'll do it one more time.
Look, I can.
Yeah, slowly. Yeah, and then from the other side. Okay, nice. Okay,
Minta and dancing.
yes, nice. How nice is to cook and dance, yeah? Okay, one more time. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Cool? Okay. Meantime, I'm gonna get ready with the dip. Correct. So I got my food processor here. It's for a very good friend of mine. This food processor is around 30 years old, if I'm not mistaken. It's come directly from Germany. So I guess it must be a bit tired because 30 years of blending. Now, the ingredients for the dips are yellow pepper, radish. We have here some pickles, chili. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, this recipe just came to us in my 5 minutes ago. So we just open the fridge and we say what we have here,
Yes.
and we start to make it. So I also like to
Correct.
people to be.
Yes. So
Brave.
we have, for example, spicy and alkaline from this pickle chili. We got the sweet element from the beetroot. Okay. We got the fiber and the color for the yellow pepper. We got a nice flavor, and we cut everything that's spicy from the radish. And the secret element we're gonna use today, some hazelnut. So it's gonna give it density to the dip. It's gonna actually make it more rich, and as a perk, it's gonna give us some chocolatey flavor kind of thing. As you know, hazelnut is the base of the Nutella. So.
Okay. So I cut this for you, broccoli. You want all?
Yes, please. Yeah. Oh, we want to put some onions as well. Yeah.
Yep. We have already cut
Yes.
here. So just
Okay. I'm just
broccoli.
gonna put some chili as well. Yeah. Perfect.
slice some.
This smells so nice.
This
what do
one,
you say?
I will slice this one for the end, so we can play with the
Yes.
garnish a
Perfect.
little bit.
Amazing. Yeah, I think this is enough. Okay. Perfect. Okay. I'm gonna put some ayua, some hazelnut. Okay.
Salt,
Yes.
pepper,
Yes. Some salt. Okay.
pepper.
Yes. Black pepper. Always
Yeah.
black pepper. Yeah. Yeah.
What else you
And
want?
to make a bit more smoother, we're gonna add some olive oil, which is gonna help also the machine to blend easier. This is also a recommendation that I give to my cooking team. When we blend in something, it's better to put any oil base or water base so the machine doesn't work that heavily. Yeah, we're gonna put acidity. Yeah, why not? Lime, perfect. Cool. Let's just do it naturally. We give some love to the lime first, then we cut it, then we squeeze it. There we go.
Okay.
Boom. Done. Okay, we're gonna blend it now. I got here my 30 years brown blender. Yeah. Done. All right. So if you can see, it's like a spread. Yeah. Perfect. Okay. Let's try first.
Okay.
Yeah. Mmm. It's really good. Yeah. Cheers. Okay. Cool. Yeah.
So you have so many layers of flavor.
Yes,
Then
exactly.
you know?
Yes. Look at those colors
Yeah.
and the hazelnut and everything. Nice. Well done with the lime. It gave us a nice acidity. All right. So for the fun part, my friend Kiki is gonna show you how to roll the spring roll.
Okay. We go on this side. We improvise. Let's see how this guy will say. You close like a burrito
Yes.
or whatever. You know what? Okay. I would like to rotate this part a little bit more. You see, I'm improvising.
Yes, no problem. Maybe you wanna press a little bit more? Yes,
Yeah,
perfect.
further I was trying to
Yes.
search the part that we can
Nice.
press.
Nice.
Okay.
Perfect. I'm just gonna eat this. So healthy. Mmm.
And we close like burrito. So then, because this is the more soft part, but I don't want so much, we can
Nice.
use later for something else. And we just gonna, okay. This is part of the real,
Yeah,
not sure, it's like
exactly. Nice.
this.
So I'm gonna just remind you the ingredients. We put some pickled yellow chili, beetroot, bell pepper, okay, hazelnut, lime, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Here we go. Perfect. So, guys, very simple. Chard spring roll. Thank you very much.
Gracias.